Struggling to remove backgrounds from your photos? Today we're testing a tool that claims to do it automatically in just 5 seconds. Let's see if it's true. We'll start at Google and just type in remove.bg. It's the first suggestion, so let's go with that. Okay, first impressions. The site is incredibly clean and simple. No distractions, just a big upload image button. Let's scroll down a bit. They have this cool, stunning quality section with a before and after slider. Let's try it on this handbag. Wow, look at that. The background is gone and the edges are super clean. It even kept a realistic shadow.
Now let's try the People tab. Hair is always the hardest part. Let's see how it handles these curls. And yeah, that's perfect. All those fine individual hairs are preserved. That would take forever to do manually.
Next up, animals. Let's see how it does with fur. Again, a really clean result. The edges look soft and natural, not jagged. Hard surfaces on this car are obviously no problem. And let's check graphics. Yep, it isolates the logo from its background perfectly. So it's very versatile.
Continuing down the page, we see tons of use cases for marketing, photographers, and e-commerce. There are testimonials from big companies like Sony Music and TechCrunch, more examples of adding new backgrounds, and info about how it integrates with other software. It's a very thorough landing page. Okay, let's scroll back to the top and finally test it with our own image. All right, time for the real test. I'm clicking Upload Image. I've picked a photo of a cat with a lot of fur and some very fine whiskers against a dark background. This should be a good challenge. Let's open it and see the magic happen.
And there it is. Done. In literally 3 seconds. The background is completely gone. The most impressive part? Look at the whiskers. They're all there. That's amazing.
Now, to get the image, you click Download. You can get a free preview image at a decent resolution, or unlock the max quality version, which is a paid feature. Let's just grab the free one for now. And the download is complete. Over here on the right, there are also some editing tools. Erase, Restore lets you use a brush to manually tweak the result, though the AI did a perfect job here. There's also an Effects tab where you could add a blur or a shadow if you wanted. It's nice to have those options. So what about that max quality option? Let's check the pricing. They have plans starting with pay-as-you-go for just a few images, all the way up to monthly subscriptions with hundreds of credits. And if you switch to a yearly plan, you get a 10% discount. It's pretty flexible.
For professionals, the Tools and API section is where this gets really powerful. They have a desktop app for batch processing images on your computer, and look at all these integrations. There's a Photoshop plugin, a Figma plugin, a Sketch plugin. Scrolling down, we see integrations for e-commerce, content management, and workflow automation. This allows you to build the tool right into your process, which is a huge time saver.
Okay, let's head back to our image. If you're finished, you can see your recent uploads at the bottom here. A simple click on the trash can icon removes it, and you're ready to go again. Nice and easy. So, the final verdict? For speed, accuracy, and ease of use, remove.bg is a fantastic tool that absolutely lives up to its promise. It's a 10 out of 10 from me. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.